Kling 2.1 versus Google Veo 3. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to compare Kling 2.1 and Google Veo 3. Kling 2.1 and Google Veo 3 are two leading AI video generation tools, each catering to different users' needs and budgets. Kling 2.1 is a powerful AI video generation tool designed to create lifelike motion and facial expressions from text or image prompts. On the left panel, click on Sign in and continue with Google by choosing the Google account. By giving the prompt, you can generate the image easily. It supports 1080p resolution and is praised for rendering smooth motion transitions. It includes a REST style feature that allows users to change the appearance of characters mid-animation without restoring the video. However, Kling may struggle with generating videos involving complex actions, diverse characters, or long-form storytelling. Google Veo 3 is a cutting-edge AI video generation tool that transforms text and image prompts into high-quality, realistic video with synchronized audio. Google Gemini is a state-of-the-art platform designed to process and generate content across various formats, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Gemini's features include advanced reasoning, code generation, image creation, and voice interactions. It supports personalized experiences through gems, custom AI assistants for specific tasks like meal planning or career advice. Gemini's integration across Google's ecosystem and its multi-modal capabilities position it as a leading AI solution for both personal and professional use. By giving the prompt, you can generate the image easily. Google Veo 3 is better for cinematic video quality and realism, while Kling 2.1 excels in creative and dynamic animation styles. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys value. See you in the next one.